Is it too late to get on with the Bitcoin trend that is going on right now? Well, maybe it might be too late for those who didn't buy it earlier on when it was still worth a couple cents or a couple dollars, or at least the $3,500 that it went down to last year 2020 around June. But there's always a way to make money with the cryptocurrencies, which is trading cryptocurrencies. The same way that we trade stocks, the same way that we trade forex, which is the buying and selling, right? You analyze the market both fundamentally and technically to see if you can predict the next price movement, whether it's going to the upside or the downside, right? So buying and selling, right? This is the one way that you can make money with the cryptocurrency anytime, no matter the price where it is at, right? No matter whether the market is moving upwards or whether the price or the market is going to the downside, right? So there's always an opportunity to make money using this strategy of trading or this approach of trading. So in this video, as well as in the previous video, I'm going to be sharing with you this opportunity. This new platform is not really new. I think it's been on for more than 2 years now, 2 to 3 years running already. It's called Mudrex, and I'm just going to be showing you how you can get started on this platform because it actually trades for you. Automated trading, fully hands off. All you have to do is just set up your account, as I'm going to show you in this video, and just set up your investment, use your strategy and fund your account, right? So I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do this and make some money passively, right? Make some money passively from anywhere in the world. This platform supports anyone anywhere in the world, right? So if you're interested in knowing more about that and how you can get started, make sure that you stay tuned all the way to the end of this video. So let's get straight into it. So before we get started into this video, I really appreciate it if you take a second to hit the subscribe button down below, turn on notifications for all videos so that you don't miss out on the next uploads, and share the video if you don't mind. And with that being said, let's get straight into it. So recently I showed you an introduction to Mudrex and what it's all about. So Mudrex is a platform that handles your trading. How they do this is through algorithms, right? So they've created algorithms using strategies that are being used by the best traders in the cryptocurrency market, right? So these traders, they basically analyze the market daily, fundamentally and technically before they take their trade. So they're taking these strategies and building algorithms with it, right? So programming AI bots that take these trades based on you. So this takes out emotions out of trading. I mean, literally, when it comes to trading, some people sweat, like really literally sweat, because it's decision making. It plays with your mind. It's spending a lot of time in front of your PC analyzing the market, seeing whether you're right or wrong, and just keeping up with the market. So Mudrex is taking a different approach to this, making it easier for anybody to invest, whether you're a complete beginner or you already just want to make money out of the market, being able to do other things that you enjoy doing. So that is exactly what we're going to be talking about today, introducing you to mudrex.com. When you click the link down below to get started, you basically be brought to this page, and then if you click on the register button over here, if it doesn't pop up, all you need right here is just your email, and then once you put in your email, you can click on register, and then just follow the verifications from your email. You just have to click the verification link in your email, and then just follow the on-screen guide that will show you exactly how to finish up setting your account so that you can be able to log in. So now that I'm done setting up my account, I'm just gonna go to the login tab, and then I have my password set up, so I'm just gonna log in quickly. Okay, so once you're logged in, you basically see this page right here. So step one would be to connect your APIs, and then once you're done with that, is basically the second step will be to choose your strategy, right? So I'm gonna be giving you the next videos. I'm actually going to be demonstrating some of the best strategies that are here that have been tested and proven. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for those next videos, and I'm gonna be demonstrating exactly how to do it, right? As well as connecting your APIs. Why do they use APIs? That's because they basically they trade on your behalf, right? So it's like you fund your account with any one of these exchanges, or if you want to take advantage of the crypto arbitrage trades, then you have to fund at least 2 of these, right? So that you can have those opportunities for crypto arbitrage opportunities. But basically any one of these, you fund it, and then you fund it with your amount that you want to trade with, right? So for example, if you want to going to be trading a Bitcoin against other currencies, if your Bitcoin is going to be your base currency, that means you need to fund that on Binance, for example, you need to add some Bitcoin onto that account, right? So that you'll be able to open those trades, or to be able able to initiate the bot that will open those trades on your behalf. So the money will always be on your account. So if you actually go and log into the exchange that you have connected via APIs to this platform, that means you actually be able to see exactly what the bot is doing, as well as if you come to this platform, of course, you'll be able to see what your trades are going on over here. You will see the invested amount, the current value, overall returns, and 24-hour returns and everything, but we're not there yet. But basically that is basically what will be going on, right? So everything, all the funds will always be in your account at any time, right? So anytime you can cancel the trade and then be able to withdraw if you're happy or satisfied with the amount that is now on your account, right? So that is the first thing. You have to connect your APIs and then find your account that on your broker, right? And then connect the APIs over here. So I'm just going to be demonstrating exactly how that goes. But the other things that you need to know about this is that you can always come here to see what are the best strategies that are working right now, and then be able to make your choice from there. But as I said, in the next video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top strategies that are actually working and that have proven to work over time, and they've had a good high score all the time, right? Month in, month out, right? So if you got any questions by any chance, you can always come to the frequently asked questions and you can come and read through some of these questions that will help you out, or you can always leave a comment down below with your questions, and then I'll get back to you as soon as possible. This platform, the fees is a minimum of $5 depending on the strategy that you use, as I explained in the previous video, and then it's actually charged on a monthly basis as well, and it's on a percentage base. So it's like the percentage of the money that you invest, not the money that you make, right? So the money that you invest, the percentage of that will be taken, and a minimum of this amount over here. So under this is actually the investment page over here. You can take a look at what the bots have been doing in the last depending on the time that it's been running over here, and then the fees is over here. It's explained in my other video. So basically that is all that I have for you in this video. I just wanted to show you how to get started and everything. So here they also have so this is the free plan that I'm currently on, as you can see, compared to the premium one over here, and you get a 1 month free trial over there if you choose to go with that one. So basically, yeah, the fees is only to manage the algorithms, right? So based on the algorithm that you have chosen and based on the amount that you have invested, you either pay 1.1% or 1.5% or a minimum of $5, $10, $15, right? So it just depends on the strategy that you're using. If you got any questions, you can always leave a comment down below, but as I said, there's also this page over here that can provide all the questions with you. So another cool thing right here, if you take a look at the top here, you can actually get a one-on-one demo on how to build a strategy, and then you can register with one of the team members of Mudrex. They'll actually help you out with the strategy or how to build strategy, get on a free call with you for about 30 minutes or to an hour, depending on how long it will take you to understand everything, right, on how you to get started and everything. So I really love the support team structure, or the support structure of this platform, because they are there for their clients to help you get the most out of this platform right here. So that's something that I really suggest that you make use of when you get started with this platform, right? So that you can get to understand exactly what is going on from the people who are actually designing and running this platform. So otherwise, it's a great platform. I really love Mudrex. I really love everything that is going on with it. So as I say, if you got any questions, you can always hit me up in the comment section down below. And that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and I'll be seeing you on the next one. Peace.